there. So for the last few weeks we've been doing out the shed. So the shed was just a normal tool shed, but we thought we'd split it in two and make it into a little extra room for when we've got our friends up visiting. So this is the progress. Dave's done most of it. All I've done is a wee bit of painting here and there, but he has done a good job. So we've got our little deck, which all this was just a pallet which brought our gyprocking. So he took all the wood off it, redone it, cleaned it all up, and then he just like coated it. So he's done that. Where chairs that keep giving, the ones that I painted, that they're looking a bit scabby, but it's fine, just to make it look nice. So we've got a little deck for our friends who come. We can have a cup of tea here. There's a few little flowers. And I think we might even have a chilli plant happening in the corner. Then, come and see our little tiny home. So this is just half of the shed, and we do have to put a door in, but this is where we've got to so far. So just built in from here, and we've got a little bed, a little storage area. We've done a little bench for our friends to make them comfortable. And then above we've got some extra storage. We put in a fan because it was just to keep it cool. And we've got some little lights. And it's quite comfortable. Everybody said it's comfy, so that's good. So this is our little tiny home.